In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set event reminders in your calendar. If you want to make sure you never miss an important meeting, appointment, or deadline, setting a reminder is one of the simplest and most useful things you can do. A reminder gives you a notification before the event starts, so you have time to prepare, wrap up what you're doing, or get where you need to be. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a reminder to an event you already created, and also how to set one while creating a brand new event. To begin, open the event you want to update. Once the event is open, look for the reminder option. In most calendar apps, this appears as a setting labeled reminder or notification. Select it and then choose how far in advance you want to be alerted. Common choices usually include 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour before the event starts. These preset options are helpful if you want something quick and standard. If none of those default times work for you, choose the custom option instead. This allows you to decide exactly when the reminder should appear. A custom reminder is especially useful for events that need extra preparation time, like presentations, travel, or anything that requires setup beforehand. After choosing the reminder time that fits your needs, make sure the change is saved so the alert is attached to that event. You can also add a reminder while creating a new event. Start by opening the option to create a new event, then enter the event details as you normally would. Before saving the event, find the reminder setting and choose the alert time you want. Again, you can select a standard